Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing to do today, some diamond painting stuff. This one came from Colorfuldiy. I've unboxed for them many times. I love their stuff. It's probably one of my favorite budget-friendly sites. So I have two canvases. One is a little bit of a bigger one, and then your typical 30 by 40. So we'll start with the smaller one. And I will say both of these are a little bit different from the normal types of canvases that I do, or from what I would normally choose as far as like subject matter of what is on the canvas. I always try to get a variety of things. Sometimes I will kind of go to my typical things that I like to do. Like I love doing like my sceneries, landscapes, and especially mountains, and then of course like flowers and animals, I would say, are probably some of my normal things to do. But I did try to get some different stuff, a variety, just so, well, one, that way I don't get bored of doing the same stuff, and then also so you guys can see different stuff. So this is the 30 by 40 canvas, and it is a partial special shaped. So this one is different than what I normally do because it is, as you can see, it is a person. I usually don't do a lot of people unless it's like a specific like character from like a show or movie or whatever. But yeah, I decided to get this one. It really kind of stood out to me. I think what stood out to me the most about it was how the background is. It's, if you can kind of see, take a closer look at it. It has where the diamonds will go like here, kind of like almost like it's raining down, and it looked like they were like going to be like the silver, like the clear diamonds that went there, and I just thought it kind of really made it stand out, and I just thought it was really pretty. So I wanted to try it out, and I of course really liked how her dress looked here. And there's some flowers in there too. And her hair. I thought her hair looked really cute. It was really pretty. So it comes with 11 different drills. And the price of this one was $4.99. And it came with, you know, your typical drill kit. And then here's the diamonds. I will open them up. So there is just like some round ones, clear, and then some pinks. And then these like black iridescent ones. I've seen ones like those and I just think they're so pretty. Very sparkly. And some little pink teardrops. And some stars. Those were some of the ones that went into that background there that I was talking about. And then some little green ones. Those are cute. Alright, let's move on to the bigger canvas. So the size of this one is an 80 by 40, so it's a pretty decent size. Not the biggest that I've done before. I've done way bigger than this before. So this one is, I'm not going to be able to get the whole thing in the picture here because it is so long. But it's a pretty simple picture. But it is feathers. So I've never done it feathers. Never done anything like this before, which is some feathers. I've seen different canvases with like feathers, and I've almost gotten one before. But I have not actually, so I decided to get this one. Take a closer look here at some of the little details in the feathers there. So this one has 24 drills that it comes with. And it has the toolkit, of course. And then here are all the drills. These ones came pre-bagged, which is very nice. Sometimes places do that and sometimes they don't. Not sure why they do. They change back and forth on that, but these ones came pre-bagged. I feel like sometimes the bigger sized canvases, I've noticed, I feel like sometimes come with the pre-bagged drills. So I'm not sure if it's just dependent on the size or why some of them come like that and some of them don't, but I personally do not care either way because I do not bag my drills when I'm working with them. I just leave them however they come. I won't take these out since they are pre-bagged, but you can kind of see all the different colors in there. So kind of some darker neutral colors in there, some blues and burgundies. But yeah, that's definitely a different picture than what I would normally do. Like I said, I've never done feathers before. I know you can't, like I said, you can't see the whole thing in here in the camera at once, but there it is. The price of this one was $14.99. So that was the two canvases that I got from them. Like I said, these both came from Colorfuldiy. I will have everything linked in the description, so if you want to go check them out and let me know what you think of these two canvases that I got. If there's one that you are just really excited to see, let me know and I will try to get to it sooner. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you to Colorfuldiy for sending these to me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!